quite as much more power as I thought it was going to have, but it definitely feels like it's engaging smoother, not making loud clunking noises like it was before, so that's an improvement. Hello, this is Cartman Production, and today we got the Razor Moped here. Also have the Tote Goat here. We're going to be doing some work on them. Max here is going to be working on the Tote Goat. The Goat needs a new chain. We're also doing some welding to the back of it, so I have a place to grab it to lift up the rear tire. And we're also going to lubricate the clutch and hopefully fix this chain hopping issue that we've been having lately. Razor Moped, I have a new clutch. Yeah, lots of clutch stuff going on today. Let's do it. Alright guys, we got the Tote Goat's new chain on. Let's see if that fixed the chain hop issues we've been having.
Well, my pet's driving. So, calm man, how's it walk?
Doesn't have quite as much more power as I thought it was going to have, but it definitely feels like it's engaging smoother, not making loud clunking noises like it was before, so that's an improvement. I think it definitely needed that new clutch. I think this will probably be the end of the video. We probably won't be riding these very soon because of all the frost, and it's really sketchy to ride this stuff right now. So I guess we'll see you guys in the next one. We should be doing a video on light bars on the Killer Reaper and Roadkill, as well as some other stuff coming up pretty soon. So I'll see you guys in those videos. Peace.